ZANU-PF spokesperson Christopher Mutsvangwa has said that while anyone, including businessmen, is free to join the ruling party, it won't tolerate those who come in to grab key positions. Sanapenda mashoko anyasukonekwa kunzi aiwa apa kuda Tagwirei anyasopoma warnings nana Mutsvangwa ndo subscribe wala icon on the bell icon. Timira mnamumudani kwa mchinzi. His comments follow reports that businessmen kuda kwashe Tagwirei, who was recently nominated for the party's central committee by ZANU-PF's Harare province, harbours ambitions of becoming the party's president and first secretary. Speaking to journalists on Tuesday, 27 May, at the party's headquarters in Harare, Mutsvangwa said there was nothing wrong with a businessman joining the party, but warned against those entering with political motives. He said, anybody is free to join ZANU-PF, whether be a businessman, whether you be a farmer, whatever. So if businessmen in their numbers begin to gravitate towards the party, we applaud that. We like it because a businessman produces goods and services which make him rich further than an individual person. So there is nothing wrong a businessman coming into the party. If certain provinces feel that person should become a central committee member and they set their recommendations, the party will consider those resolutions and it will come out with an appropriate decision. Mutsvangwa, however, added that what would not be right if a businessman saying, I'm joining the party so I can get this or that position. He said, what would be wrong is to say, we are getting into the party so that I can become that and that position, that I can become the president, because that is not the purpose of joining the party. The purpose of joining the party is to follow the constitution of the party and say to it that when the succession is done by votes, that you comply with the terms of the party. Tomashkwa mdato kwa na Christopher Mutsvangwa anonoka kunzi pangwa ino ari kuresista Tagwirei's ascension inonoka kunzi right now ari yasonoka kunzi mukomana akananga ku presidency chaiko. Tona kuti mawo veterans vakaita sana Mutsvangwa vari kuti aiwa we deny that move. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudipa musoro pechitiko chimira comment section medu, subscribe or like, set all the bell icon.